Today we are going to look into the operations on signals, time shifting, time scaling, time inversion, or time folding. Time shifting, the original signal xt is shifted by an amount t0. So xt becomes xt minus xt minus t0. Signal is delayed by t0 unit of time, shift to the right. Is this clear? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Becomes x plus t0, so signal is delayed and it is ultimately a shift to the right side. Now, if it is t plus t0, then signal is advanced and shift to the left is done. Time scaling, what happens if we make a xt as x at t? So for an a greater than 1, the period of xt reduces and the function speeds up. Therefore, the function shrinks. For a less than 1, the period of xt increases and the function slows down. Therefore, the function expands. So let's say you have a triangular wave like this, given xt, and we are going to find the yt equal to x2t. What will happen is the wave will be shrinking to by double, and the period will be halved. The period of xt is 2, while the period of yt is 1. What happens if yt equal to the given yt, find wt equal to y3t and vt equal to yt by t by 3. So yt is given, yt is a rectangular wave, and if we make it 3t, then what will happen that it will by 3 by a factor of 3, and this small, and its unit, its period, its width will become 1. On the other hand, if vt equal to y by 3 by y equal vt equal to y 3 t by 3, then its width will become 3 times and your picture will look like that. That is a rectangle of width 9 and height 2. Time reversion is also called time folding. The time reversal signal is reversed with respect to time. So y equal to x minus t is obtained for the given function. So if we have xt is like this, then y equal to x minus t will be like this. It will be inverse. It will be inverse with respect to the x-axis, y-axis. It will be a reflection with respect to the y-axis. Operations of discrete time functions. Time shifting occurs here also. If time shifting occurs as n to n plus n0, then what will happen is again the same thing will happen. It will shift by amount of 3 to the left. If it is n minus n0, then it shift to the right by an amount of 3. Signal compression is
Sir, your voice is
the signal
cracking,
is
sir.
compressed. Now,
Sir, it's coming good sometimes, sir, but it's cracking in the middle, sir.
but I have turned off the video also. Anyway, just continue. So
Okay, sir. Okay.
scaling means signal compression. Signal compression means n is replaced by kn, where k is an integer greater than 1. In that case, what will happen is that all the discrete time functions will be shrink to one point. It will be shrink like in the continuous case. Now, classification of signals is deterministic and non-deterministic signals. energy and power. Deterministic signal behavior of this signal is predictable with respect to time. There is no uncertainty with respect to its value at any time. These signals can be expressed mathematically. For example, xt equal to sine 3t is a deterministic signal. Non-deterministic or random signal behavior of this signal is random, that is not predictable with respect to time. There is an uncertainty with respect to its value at any time. These signals can be expressed mathematically. For example, thermal noise generated is non-deterministic signal. So is non-deterministic signal clear? This is a random signal and it is not predictable with respect to time. Is it clear? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Periodic means after a time period of t0, the signal will repeat itself. So xt is a continuous, given xt is a continuous time signal, xt is periodic if and only if xt equal to x t plus t0 for any t and an integer n. So xt equal to a cos omega t is actually periodic, with period equal to 1 by f0 equal to omega by 2 pi. This is the periodic signal. For non-periodic signals, xt is not equal to xt plus t0. For non-periodic signals, it is assumed to have a period of infinity. Example of non-periodic signal is the exponential signal. Discrete time signal is periodic if xn equal to xn plus n, capital N. For satisfying the above condition, the frequency of the discrete time signal should be ratio of two integers, f0 equal to k by n. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, sum of periodic signals, if x1 and x2 are periodic signals and their sum is capital Xt equal to x1t plus x2t, then capital Xt plus t, capital T equal to x1t plus m1t1 plus x2t plus m2t2. Now, m1t1 equal to m2t2 equal to t0 is called its fundamental period. Example, cos t pi by 3 plus sin t pi by 4. We know that cos and sin both have a period of 2 pi. So t1 equal to 2 pi by pi plus pi by 3 equal to 6 and t2 equal to 2 pi by pi by 4 equal to 3. Number m1 equal to m2, m1 equal to m2 find m1. So 6 into 4 equal to 3 into 8 equal to 24. This is the fundamental period. Fundamental period of this signal cos pi t by 3 plus sin pi t by 4 is 24. Okay. Do you have any question from this?
So what
Anybody?
if the fundamental periods are not same? Like, what if M1 T1 and M2 T2 are not same, sir? What would happen?
Then it will have a period of infinity.
Okay, sir.
Because you have to have capital T equal to M1 T1 equal to M2 T2. So if M1 T1 is not equal to M2 T2, that means there is no fundamental period. In that case, the sum of periodic may not always be periodic. This is one example. Like xt equal to x1t plus x2t equal to cos t. Cos t is x1t and sin root 2t is x2t. Now note that cos t is periodic by period of 2 pi and sin root 2 t is periodic by period root 2 pi. So T1 equal to 2 pi, T2 equal to 2 pi by square root of 2, T1 by T2 equal to square root of 2. Note T1 by T2 is not a rational number, it is an irrational number, thus xt is aperiodic. Whatever you were asking. Now it is clear?
Okay, sir.
Now even and odd signal, even functions mean gt equal to g minus t. That means its time inversion does not change the function. And odd functions mean gt equal to minus g minus t. This you have done in your calculus class in class 12. So even function means gt equal to minus g minus t, and odd function means gt equal to minus g minus t. So in that case, you can see that cos function is even function and sine function is odd function. Now, which of these four is odd and which of the four is even? Odd, even?
So
First one is odd or even?
Even.
Even function.
even function,
Even
sir.
function, right. And second one?
Odd function, sir.
Odd function.
Third one is even.
Yes, sir.
And fourth one is?
Odd function.
Sir, odd.
Fourth is sine and third one is cos. Now, even and odd parts of function, every function has even part. So, g even t equal to gt plus g minus t by 2, and odd part equal to gt minus g minus t by 2. You can see if you add get plus g even t plus g odd t, you get gt. The function whose even part is 0 is odd, and a function whose odd part is 0 is even. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So various combinations of odd and even function, both even, the sum will be what? If the functions are both even, what will be the sum, even or odd?
Even function.
The difference? The difference?
Difference should also be even, sir.
Product?
Even.
Even. Definitely even.
Quotient?
It will be also
Even, sir.
If both are odd, then sum will be?
Odd.
Difference will be?
Odd.
Product will be?
Sir, even, sir, because both of them are odd.
Minus
So
minus cancels.
yes, minus
Minus
minus can
minus
cancel.
cancels. Okay. And quotient will be?
Even, sir, because minus minus again cancels.
Yes. Now function is one is even and one is odd. Then sum is?
Sir, it will be none. It will be neither even nor odd, sir.
You can't say, right?
Yes, sir. Can't. It may be
Depends
maybe,
upon
sir.
the nature of the function.
Yes. Difference is what?
So same, sir. It will neither be even nor be odd, sir. It could be either of them, basically.
Yes. One is even and one is odd. The product is?
Sir, odd, sir.
Yes. And quotient is?
Odd, sir.
Okay. Even and odd is odd. Product is odd because there will be one minus sign. Anyway, product of even and odd functions, product of two functions, g1t is given by that function, the upper one, and g2t is given by the lower triangular function. If you do a multiplication of these two, you get the function shown on the right hand side, g1t, g2t. Now you can see that the upper function is g1t is even or odd,
Sir, even.
and g2t
Even, sir.
even, right? So two even functions product, this right side function is also even, right?
Yes, sir.
Right. mean, it is symmetrical with respect to y axis, right?
Yes, sir. If it's symmetrical, it will be even, sir.
Am I right? If it is symmetrical with respect to y-axis, then it will be even. Okay, product of odd and even function, G2, G1t is even function and the G2t is odd function. Their product is given by on the right hand side picture. It is an odd function. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
That's right. Product of even and odd function. One is even, G1t is even and G2t is odd. So their product is G1t, G2t given on the right hand side. Is that a even function or odd function?
Odd function.
It's odd, sir.
Odd function because it is not symmetrical with respect to y-axis, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Product of even and odd function, product of two odd functions. So first one is
Even.
sine and second one is triangle. What will be that? What will be? Their product is G1, G2 that is shown on the right hand side. So it is what?
Even
Odd or
function.
even?
Even, sir.
Even function, right? Now derivatives. Derivatives of even function will be what? Odd or even?
Sir, odd because the slope graph would be non-symmetric.
Right. Integral will be what?
Sir, odd again because like that would also be non-symmetric, sir.
And odd function derivative is?
Sir, even.
And integral is?
Sir, even.
Right.
Sir, but what wouldn't the integral also have a constant, sir, like the odd
Yes,
for
it will be a
even?
constant.
Okay,
Yes, it will be a constant.
okay, sir.
Okay, discrete time even and odd signals similar to continuous time odd and even signals. Gn equal to G minus n for even and Gn equal to minus G minus n for odd function. And every function has a even part and odd part in discrete time even discrete type signal also, where G even n equal to Gn plus G minus n by 2 and G odd n equal to Gn minus G minus n by 2. Now, similarly, you can see that the combination of sum difference, product, and quotient, you can see it is similar to the continuous signals. Now, this is the product of even and odd function, two even functions, then one is are both even, G1n and G2n.
Yes, sir, both are even, sir.
So their product should be even also.
Yes, sir.
And it is even also, right? G1 and
Yes, sir.
G2 and the right hand side picture, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now an even and odd function, the G1n on the up hand side is even and G2n is the odd. And G2n is odd. So G1 and G2n is given on the right hand side picture. It should be even. It should be odd, right?
Yes, sir.
G1n is
Yes, sir.
odd, is even and G2n is odd. So G1 and G2n will be even. Sorry, odd, right?
Yes, sir.
Is even, then x minus t equal to x1 minus t into x2 minus t. So x1 t into x2 t is equal to x1 t equal to x2 into x2 t equal to xt. Have you understood this flow?
Yes,
Very
sir.
simple. You simply replace xt equal to x1 minus t into x2 minus t. Now by definition x1 minus t is x1t and by definition x2 minus t is x2t. So x1t into x2t is xt, so x minus t is equal to xt. That means x is a even function. Prove that the two product up to odd signals is odd. Prove that product up to odd signals is even, right? Product up to
Yeah.
odd signals is even, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So it is wrong. It is wrong. What is the product of an even signal and odd signal?
Odd, sir.
No, x equal to x1t plus into x2t. X minus t equal to x1 is x1 minus t into x2 minus t. Now let's say x1 is even, so x1 minus t equal to x1t, and let's say x2 is odd, that means x2 minus t equal to minus x2t. So it is x1t into minus x2t equal to minus xt. That means this is equal to x minus t. This is
No,
equal
sir.
to minus xt. So it will be odd, right?
Yes, sir.
It will be odd signal. This is written
Yes,
wrong.
sir.
Now, product of discrete time even and odd functions. Two odd functions is left. Upper one is odd function, lower one is odd function. Their product is even function, shown on the right. G1 and G2n. Energy and power signals. Energy signal, the signal with finite energy and zero power is called energy signal. That is for energy signal. E is within 0 and infinity and P equal to 0. Signal energy of signal is defined as the area under the square of the magnitude of the signal. Is it clear? The units of signal energy depends on the unit of the signal. Is this clear?
So
Signal
I
energy.
don't understand the signal energy part, sir. What is the signal energy? Like the total energy of the signal?
That is voltage v square I square t na.
Yes, sir.
Now I is xt. That means what? Xt square t dt integration.
Okay. Oh, okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay. So power signal, power is just a time division of energy. So some signals have infinite signal energy. In that case, the more convenient to deal with average signal power. For power signals, P is within 0 and infinity, and E is equal to infinity. Average power of the signal is given by limit t tends to infinity 1 by t minus t by 2 to t by 2 mod xt square dt. It is just P equal to E by t taken in limit terms.
Yes, sir. So basically, it's EX by T only.
Yes, Ex by with limit taken.
Yes, sir.
For a periodic signal xt, the average signal power is Px equal to 1 by t integration over t xt square dt. T is any period of the signal. Periodic signal are generally power signals. Power of dt, integration is replaced by summation. So if it is a signal, energy signal, zero and if it is an energy signal, then the value of the energy is summation n equal to minus infinity to plus infinity mod xn square. Signal
Sir, could you go to
energy
the
and
previous slide once, sir? Sir, could you just go to the? I did not understand the previous slide, sir.
which one?
So the next one, after the slide after this, sir.
Yes, one.
Yes, sir. This one. Is this for discrete only?
Discrete only, yes.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Okay, the average signal of a discrete time power signal is given by limit n tends to infinity 1 by 2n, n equal to minus n to n minus 1, xn square. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
And the periodic signal, the average signal power is given by 1 by n summation over n in bracket n xn square, where summation over n equal to bracket n means the sum over any set of consecutive n exactly, any set of consecutive n's exactly n. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we will go to system next day, but before, let's look at today's slides. Today we have done a lot of things. So let's look at today's slides. Now, can you prove that derivative of a even signal is odd?
Yes, sir. By like we could prove it graphically, sir. I could prove it graphically, but analytically it would be a bit more complex.
No, analytically also it's easy. Just take the derivative.
So like a general derivative of the of xt, assuming that xt is
xt.
equal to x minus t.
Xt equal to x minus t is even. So if you take derivative of both sides, that means d derivative of xt equal to minus derivative of x minus t, right?
Yes, sir.
That means what? That means
Oh,
derivative
that
of a
means
even
odd.
signal is what? Odd signal. Okay. Integration.
Sir, integration we could work similarly, sir. Like integrate xt, integrate x minus t, and then compare both of them. We'll see that they are negatives of each other. So we could just say that hence it is equal. It is
Right.
an odd integral.
Okay. I want you to find out the average, the energy, sorry, the energy of the sine pi t signal. Energy of the sine pi t signal.
Okay, sir.
Do it yourself. All of you do it. It will be infinity, right?
Sir, the integral won't convert, sir. So it will be infinity, sir.
Yes, sir.
It
Sir,
will be
infinity, sir.
infinity, but within that period of 0 to t, what is the 0 to 2? What is the area power? Is infinity means you have, it is a power signal, right?
Yes, sir.
So now compute its power px
So from 0 to 2.
minus t by 2 to t by 2.
Okay. Sir, it will be
Sir, 1
1
by
by
2.
1 by 2t into t minus sine pi t by pi.
And have you taken the limit of t tends to infinity 1 by t?
No, sir, because it's periodic, sir.
Periodic may be, but what is the average power of a signal is given by t, t is periodic, right? So if it is a periodic signal, then it is just 1 by t. Am I
Yes, sir.
right?
Yes, sir.
So
So it's
what
like
is the
1 by
value?
2t. 1 by 2t into t minus sine pi t by pi.
Okay. Everybody agrees with this? Anybody else has done it? Yes. Anybody else has done it? Nobody else has done it.
Sir, did it, but getting the different answer, sir.
What is the integration of sine square pi t over t? Yes. So you have to do it, you have to find this formula px equal to 1 by t integration over t mod xt square dt. Here xt is sine square plus is sine pt, sine pi t. So now compute it.
Sir, is capital T 2? Like, are we assuming it to be 2, sir?
No, you can find the pi, you can find t, right? If the signal is sine pi t, if the signal is sine pi t, what is the period?
Oh, acha, acha.
The period is 2, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So in that case, it would be have a different answer, sir, because you have to replace the T, capital T with 2, sir, at every single point.
So what will be the value?
Uh, sir, 1 second, sir. I'm just computing it, sir.
Anybody else has done it?
Sir, if we take t is equal to 2, then it will be, sir, 1.
It, it will be 1.
Sir, 1 by 2. 1 by 2. Sorry.
Yes, sir. 1 by 2, sir. So it'll be 1 by
Okay,
2, sir.
then the periodic signal, the
Sir,
average
1 by
signal
2.
1 by 2, right? Then for the periodic signal sine pi t, the average signal power is given by